In this video, I'm going to go over this small little electric fan from the company Ecarke. So this fan right here actually uses the Dewalt battery here. You do not get a battery with this, so just to know, this is the tool only. And going over the box here, it's got a powerful airflow dual power system, which it can use power outlet or use a battery. It's a stand and hang mounting, adjustable swivel head, and here's all of the specifications on it. It is 18 to 20 volts, 10 inches, uses 2 to 12 watts. So there's the power cord that you're going to get with it, a little instruction manual. So the way this thing works is you're just going to take a Dewalt battery, plug right into the back just like that, and then it's just on. There's low and there's high, and it's actually a pretty powerful fan. And then if you want to run the actual hanger, it's right here. And now that can hang up on a board or hang from a tree or something like that, or over the top of like a car. So let's test the airspeed on this thing. So we'll go ahead and stop it. We are at 0 right there. Let's see what we are at, everybody. 12.6. So right up on it, we're at 12.6, almost 13 miles per hour as far as wind back here. So I'm back here and I'm still getting 5 mile per hour winds. You can see the distance that I'm going about right there. 12 to 13 mile per hour winds right here is pretty good. This is going to be a great little fan on those hot summer days when you need to cool off, especially if you're on a job site and you just need to cool off and you've got tons of these Dewalt batteries. I don't see any issues with this little fan at all. It's got an articulating head, so you can go straight up like that. You can go down. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this little fan at all. I'm definitely going to be using this on a campsite and just all around while I'm working on a project in these hot summer days. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Ecarke, Dewalt acceptable fan. See you on the next video.